If it feels like the market is deliberately stopping you out with false moves, watch this video till the end. You've probably noticed how the move goes right against you just as you started it. I went through the same thing until I switched to the simple but very precise combo of two indicators, Stochastic and Williams. The combination lets you see not chaos, but clear overheating zones, where the move starts losing strength and price prepares to reverse. Today I'll show you in practice how to build a clear entry system with a 3-minute expiration. Watch until the end. I'll show you a technique that helps filter out weak signals and enter only the strongest moves. If you want to finally feel confident in your actions, just join my Telegram. There I show trades in real time, explain key moments, and give you the option to automatically copy my trades.
I had already earned $800.
My life changed.
You stay in control, but operate within a system. Every day I share new strategies and private methods. Spots are already limited. Link is in the description. Message me and I will add you. I'll start with the platform setup so the chart shows the most accurate movements. I set the chart type to candlestick. Use a 2-minute time frame. The strategy is based on 2 indicators, Williams and Stochastic. For accuracy, I'll configure each one. Now, first Williams. It's used to identify overbought and oversold conditions. I set the period to 5, which makes the indicator fast and sensitive to market changes. For style, I make the main line more vivid and highlight the overbought and oversold zones like this. Done. Now Stochastic. It's used to find potential reversal points or weakening of the current move. Here I only change the K period to 5, making it fast and responsive to price changes. For style, I remove the D period and set the overbought and oversold zone the same as in the first indicator. Done. Together, they show the degree of market overheating and changes in momentum within the price range, helping to more precisely identify moments when the move starts to weaken and price may reverse or make a correction. I'm ready to start trading. All trades today will be 3 minutes, which is a comfortable duration for this strategy. I open a downward trade for $840. Let me explain in detail. I'll start with the indicators. Look, Williams is in the upper zone, near the overbought level. This indicates strong prior growth, but the line starts turning downward. This shows that buyer momentum is weakening and the market may start giving the move back. Next, Stochastic. I'm using it without the D period so it reacts faster to the price. At the moment of entry, the line is also in the upper zone and starts moving downward. This signals that the current growth is already losing strength and downward pressure is building within the move. Now I look at the candlesticks. Before entry, there was a rise with several green candlesticks, but then the price hits the upper area and red candlesticks appear. This shows that after an attempt to continue upward, sellers immediately step in. So overall, the market starts losing strength after growth, the indicators simultaneously turn downward, and candlesticks confirm selling pressure. That's why I entered this trade, waiting for the close, and I get plus $1,612. Great start. Continuing to trade, I found another entry point, opening a downward trade for $925. I immediately look at Williams. It's in the upper zone and starts turning downward. This shows that after a local rise, buyer momentum is weakening and the market is losing strength. Stochastic is also in the upper zone and starts bending downward. Since it reacts faster, this indicates that the upward move is no longer supported and downward pressure is emerging. Now from the candlesticks, it's clear that prices met resistance and sellers have started actively entering from the top. So Williams showed overbought conditions and a turn downward. Stochastic confirms weakening growth and candlesticks show seller reaction. That's why the probability of a pullback downward increases at this point. Waiting for the close, plus $1,776. Excellent. If you want to trade calmly without unnecessary stress, join my Telegram. There I show traders live, break down price movements, and give you the option to automatically copy my trades. Link is in the description. Message me and I will add you. Continuing, now I'll show an interesting trade, opening a downward position for $1,105. Why I'm so confident? Take a look. We start with Williams. The indicator rises into the upper part of the range, entering the overbought zone. This shows that after the pullback upward, price has already climbed quite high. Now the line starts turning downward and exits the zone. Clearly, upward momentum is weakening. Stochastic is also in the upper zone and starts moving downward. This indicates that the recent green candlesticks are no longer supporting further growth. Now, from the candlesticks, we see a slowdown in growth and a red reaction from the top. This shows sellers are re-entering the market. Again, Williams shows overbought and a downward turn. Stochastic confirms weakening growth and candlesticks show the end of the pullback. Wait for the close, and it brings me plus $2,121. Great. Let's open one more trade. A very strong entry setup, downward for $1,400. Williams is near the overbought zone and starts turning downward. Clearly, buyer pressure is dropping sharply. Stochastic is also in the upper zone and begins to decline, confirming that upward momentum is weakening. Now from the candlesticks, it's clear that sellers are starting to push the price down active. So the probability of a decline increases here, and the downward trade looks promising. Now we wait for the close. And plus $2,688. Excellent trade. As you can see, the market doesn't stop you out randomly. It does it in overheating zones when the move is already losing its strength. Stochastic and Williams allow you to see these moments in advance and enter when the probability is truly on your side. If you want to analyze the market the same way and spot these entries in real time, join my Telegram. There I show trades live, explain where to confirm entries and where is better to wait, and share fresh strategies in real time. It saves time and helps filter out unnecessary entries. Link is in the description. Message me and I will add you.